going on a trip. What's up? Yay! Okay, I'm ready. Let's go.
Okay.
Cheers! Cheers to the weekend! Nice one.
Hello, Sola. What are you doing?
I'm blowing up.
Blowing things? Okay.
Oh,
Okay,
you can't.
clarify. Clarify.
I'm blowing up my blow up doll.
Okay, good.
Okay.
What are you doing?
My phone in
Oh,
my
so
washing
smart.
machine.
Oh, sorry, I'm not getting your face. I'm not a pro. Do you see the sun? Do you see the sun? The sun is setting. I might be. Can we edit that out?
Ready for swimming.
We're ready.
I need to record you, but otherwise it's not real. Yeah. I'm a vlogger today.
Good morning. Morning.
Hey, look around. Are you excited? I mean, driver, don't look around. Yay! Canoeing! I didn't ask you. We made it! It took a little bit of a time, but as long as we're up here, because it's gorgeous.